Hey guys, today we're going to talk about Babyganics mineral-based sunscreen. This is a product I've been using for a little over a year now. I actually want to know, it has a lot of certified organic ingredients in it, and I'm not seeing an expiration date on this. So I do wonder, what the shelf life is of this product. But it says that the main ingredient at the top, which I'm sure you probably can't really see, but the main ingredient is titanium dioxide and zinc oxide. So, basically for the purpose of sunscreen. This is a product that was designed specifically for babies. Babyganics is a line that is gentle enough for babies. It is meant to be convenient and natural and tear-free, as advertised on the little bottle here. In the top in green it says tear-free, which it is, and that's kind of a nice thing with sunscreen, because if you've ever gotten sunscreen in your eye, you know just how bad that is. It's also water resistant, which is kind of nice because it's not really marketed as a water, it's not the first thing that really pops out at you. I picked this because I wanted something more natural to put under my makeup as a good sun protection. It claims to be SPF 50, which is kind of cool. I think that there's been a lot of controversy over any kind of SPF claiming to be higher than 50. A lot of people say anything over 50 is a lie. So they're not trying to lie to you. They pretty much tell you that, on the front here it says it's good for 80 minutes. So reapply after 80 minutes. That's definitely good to know. And it's not just UVA protection, it's UVB protection as well. It's non-allergenic, and it's free of phthalates, parabens, fragrances, and nanoparticles. It also has NeoNourish Natural Seed Oil Blend. So this is a brand, again, that focuses a lot more on natural ingredients. I know people that refuse to wear sunscreen because there's so many chemicals in it that even if you're not just like acne prone, a lot of people are like, for the same reasons they don't like to use bug spray, they're like, I don't want to put those chemicals into my skin. I sought this line out specifically because I knew it was not just gentle and hypoallergenic, but that it would be, more natural and have a lot less chemicals in it than your traditional sunscreens. So it has, this line also has, a pure mineral sunscreen stick. Those are a little bit smaller than the lotion. I like the lotion because I think it comes in the best quantity. They also have a spray. I can't really speak to the spray option. I've never tried it. I like to mix this with a little bit of lotion and like my face lotion and apply it to my skin, because if you have super dry skin, the only thing that I can say is that it will leave a kind of film on your skin that will highlight the dry patches, and you'll just get this really kind of nasty white. It'll look like you put white clay on your face, like you painted your face with white clay. It takes a lot of rubbing in, but it is a much more natural product, so it is worth it in the end. It's just that if you have dry skin, you might want to try to mix it first with moisturizer so that you're not getting that really nasty sort of buildup on your face. But if you have oily skin, I couldn't recommend this higher. You probably could just put this straight on your face and go. I wear this out if I'm, doing something more athletic where I'm going to sweat a lot. I've worn this to the pool. I've worn this just driving in my car. I wear it under my makeup. It's, better for me than pretty much any other blend of, some SPF preventative, daily moisturizer, because it gives you the SPF 50 protection, and it's a gentler brand. It's a more natural brand. It's long lasting. It's water resistant. It kind of just has everything you need in a sunscreen. And if you're especially acne prone or sensitive, which I am, this is a great option because it's not going to break you out. It's not going to cause any kind of irritation. It's clearly a line formulated specifically for babies. So it's the most gentle you could find, essentially, for your skin. A lot of people kind of have different reviews about how it feels on your skin. I would say it feels a little bit sticky. It's supposed to be fragrance free. All of their products are supposed to be fragrance free. This one, it smells like sunscreen. I think that's to be expected. It is a little bit sticky. definitely, I would say that. If you spill it in your bag, you will be sorry. If you don't use a little bit of a, water it down with a little bit of a moisturizer, it might be a little sticky, but again, if you have oily skin, you've got nothing to worry about. Some people say it feels more like lotion and it doesn't feel greasy, which I would definitely not say it feels greasy. It's not a product that leaves you feeling kind of greasy or anything like that. So you can buy this in a 2-pack as well. I also want to mention that because this is a 6 fluid ounce container, and aside from just this lotion and the sprays and the sticks, you can get this lotion on Amazon in a pack of 2 for 6 ounces, which is kind of nice because you will run out. The reason this bottle is so beat up is because it was the one I kept in my car for a really long time. So I keep one in my car and I keep one with my face products, and I put it on almost every day. So it's nice, it's light enough to do that. I would say if you're acne prone, you want to make sure to wash it off at the end of the day. Do not leave it on. As light and as natural as it is, you don't want to leave it on or you will probably break out. It will cause a certain amount of buildup. That being said, just regular use of this product does not break me out. So it is a much gentler option, and it's always protecting me from the sun. So I would say I recommend this product for anyone of any age. If you have a darker skin tone, maybe you might want to be a little careful because it's a white, very, very like clown white kind of paste. So you're going to want to be careful to not slather this on your face and not, do a patch, like a test first, because it's something that you definitely have to rub in. But I think that if you're, light enough to be using an SPF 50 sun protection, then this would be a really great option for anyone. I'm really glad I discovered this brand. It's natural, it's gentle, and I really couldn't recommend it more. I use it almost every day. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you have a really great day. Thanks so much for watching.